Welcome to all our YouTube channel. Myself, Mr. Sagar Kohli, Assistant Professor at Maharani Ahilyabai Hodkar College of Pharmacy, Boradi. Today we are discuss multiple choice question on subject hospital and clinical pharmacy. First question: hospital pharmacy that provides service to those patients who have left the hospital or who are visiting to doctors in outdoor is called as. Options are A. Pharmacy satellite, B. Outpatient pharmacy, C. Hospital formulary, D. Inpatient pharmacy. Right answer is B. Next question. An hospital with 100 bed is. Options are A. Large hospital, B. Medium hospital, C. Small hospital, D. Very small hospital. Right answer is C. Next question. Orange red color of urine is the adverse effect of which drugs? Options are A. Streptomycin, B. Rifampicin, C. Ceratopeptide, D. Metformin. Right answer is B. Minimum numbers of pharmacies required for very small hospital is. Options are A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Right answer is C. The main objectives of Pharmacy Therapeutic Committee (PTC) is. Options are A. To develop hospital formulary system, B. Promote rational use of drug, C. Develop policies regarding drug safety, D. All. Right answer is D. Which of following disease are caused by oral route of infections? Options are typhoid fever, B. Poliomyelitis, C. Cholera, D. All. Right answer is all. Over the counter OTC medicine means. Options are A. Medicine given under medical supervision, B. Medicine sold against prescription of registered medical practitioner, C. Medicine purchased without prescription, D. All. Right answer is C. Ambulatory patients refers to. Options are A. Patient required to admit in the ward, B. Patient required to admit in the ward, C. Patient required to go home after taking treatment in OPD, D. None. Right answer is C. Up to 200 beds. Hospital required pharmacists are. Options are A 3, B 5, C 8, D 10. Right answer is C. Next question. The objectives of PTC. Options are A. Advisory, B. Educational, C. Drug safety and adverse drug monitoring, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. The transport of drug across a membrane from higher to lower concentration is called as. Options are A. Active transport, B. Passive diffusion, C. Bioequivalence, D. Bioavailability. Right answer is B. The normal value of bleeding time range from. Options are A. 60 minutes, B. 15 to 30 minutes, C. 1 to 3 minutes, D. 5 to 10 minutes. Right answer is C. What advice should be given while dispensing diphenhydramine? Options are A. Take only on physician advice, B. Skin rashes allergy may cause, C. Do not take on empty stomach, D. GI disturbance may occur. Right answer is D. Given the following are CNS depression drug except. Options are A. Barbiturate, B. Sedative, C. Methadone, D. Tranquilizer. Right answer is methadone. OPD stands for. Options are A. Outpatient Department, B. Outpatient Department, C. Outpatient Demand, D. Outpassive Department. Right answer is B. ICU stands for. Options are Intensive Colony Unit, B. Intensive Care Unit, C. International Care Unit, D. Intensive Colony Color Unit. Right answer is B. Tetracyclines should not be given with antacid because antacids dash 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 the absorption of tetracyclines. Options are A. Increase, B. Decrease, C. Non-change, D. None of this. Right answer is B. The level of serum bilirubin is increased in. Options are cancer, B. Hepatitis, C. Anemia, D. All of this. Right answer is B. Bioavailability is. Options are A. Rate and extent of drug reaches in kindly, B. Rate and extent of drug reaches in systemic circulation, C. Rate and extent of drug reaches in brain, D. Rate and extent of drug excrete from the body. Right answer is B. Survey as link between the medical staff and hospital pharmacist is. Options are modern dispensing aspects, B. Pharmacy therapeutic committee, C. Patient counseling, D. None of these. Right answer is B. Normal WBC count in adult is. Options are 6,000 to 10,000, B 8,000 to 10,000, C 1,000 to 20,000, D none of these. Right answer is A. Which of the following factors affecting bioavailability? Options are A. Concentration of drug, B. Area of absorption surface, C. Functional interacting of GIT, D. All of this. Right answer is D. Drug products that can be purchased without prescription is. Options are A. Narcotic drug, B. OTC drug, C. Both A and B, D. None of this. Right answer is B. Which factors contributing to non-compliance? Options are A. Unpleasant taste of medication, B. Fear of becoming drug dependent, C. Side effect of drug dependent, D. All of this. Right answer is D. How much floor space is required for compounding and dispensing area in 50-bed hospitals? Options are 205 square feet, B 320 square feet, C 435 square feet, D none of these. Right answer is A. The PHC stands for. Options are A. Primary Hospitality Center, B. Primary Healthcare Center, C. Primary High Cost, D. Primary Health Care. Right answer is B. Role of pharmacist at bedside pharmacy. Options are A. Ward visit, B. Interaction, C. Detailing, D. All. Right answer is A. If the size is 201 to 300, then many pharmacists should be there. Options are A. 10, B. 5, C. 1, D. 3. Right answer is A. The level of serum bilirubin is increased in. Options are A. Cancer, B. Hepatitis, C. Anemia, D. All of these. Right answer is B. Purpose of PTC. Options are A. Educational, B. Advisory. C. Both A and B. D. Only A. Right answer is C. Central government hospital is options are A. JJ Hospital, B. Military Hospital, C. Gati Hospital, D. Hindu Mission Hospital. Right answer is B. JJ Hospital classified under options are A. Large hospital, B. Medium hospital, C. Small hospital, D. Very small hospital. Right answer is A. Ambulatory patients are options are A. Required to admit in the ward for treatment, B. Required to go home after taking treatment in OPD, C. Required emergency treatment, D. None of this. Right answer is B. Hemoglobin percent increased in options are A. Anemia, B. Polycythemia, C. Leukemia, D. All of these. Right answer is A. OTC stands for options are A. Over the cost, B. Over the control, C. Over the counter, D. Out time care. Right answer is C. Which factors contributing to non-compliance? Options are A. Unpleasant taste of medication, B. Fear of becoming drug dependent, C. Side effect of drug dependent, D. All of these. Right answer is all of these. Right statement of drug food interaction. Options are A. Milk reduce absorption of tetracycline, B. Fatty food increase gastric time, C. Absorption of penicillin increase presence of food, D. All of the are right. Right answer is A. If the size is 201 to 300, then money pharmacist should be there. Options are A 10, B 5, C 1, D 3. Right answer is A. If the drug is given by IV route, then its bioavailability is options are A 50%, B 100%, C 10%, D 90%. Right answer is B. The normal value of hemoglobin in infant is options are A 12 to 50 gram, B 20 to 25 gram, C 16 to 20 gram, D 16 to 18 gram. Right answer is D. Role of pharmacist at bedside pharmacy. Options are A. Ward visit, B. Interaction, C. Detailing, D. All. Right answer is A. The normal value of bleeding time range from options are 60 minutes, B 15 to 30 minutes, C 15 to 30 mg percent, D 80 to 120 mg. Right answer is D. Etiology means options are A. Cause of disease, B. Inflammation of joints, C. Removal of disease, D. Increase in heart bed rate. Right answer is A. Which of the following factors affecting bioavailability? Options are A. Concentration of drug, B. Area of absorption surface, C. Functional interacting of GIT, D. All of these. Right answer is D. At what temperature the blood can be stored? Options are A 16 degrees Celsius, B 4 degrees Celsius, C 0 degrees Celsius, D 0 degrees Celsius. Right answer is B. Which branch of medicine deals with diagnostic and therapeutic value? Options are A. Pharmacy, B. Physiology, C. Radiology, D. Pathology. Right answer is radiology. The hospital formally consists of list of dash 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 in which the hospital. Options are A. Instruments, B. Drug, C. Staff, D. Patient. Right answer is B. Purpose of PTC options are A. Educational, B. Advisory, C. Both A and B, D. Only A. Right answer is C. Variable cost plus fixed cost is equal to. Options are A. Total cost, B. Unit cost, C. Cost per unit, D. None. Right answer is A. Patients who occupy that space in the hospital are called as. Options are A. Ambulatory patients, B. Inpatients, C. Operating patients, D. None of these. Right answer is B. Thank you.